Today I am going to do the activity of Cell City. I compared nucleus with house. Wherever we go, again we need to go to house. So the house is very important. Like that, nucleus runs cell's operation. Next, I compared mitochondria with power plant. Then mitochondria generate energy for the cell as the same as the power plant create electricity for the cell. Post office. Post office I compared to endoplasmic reticulum. The post office delivers mail throughout the city as the same endoplasmic reticulum transport material throughout cell. I compared cell wall with city limits. City limit is nothing but city limit is when city end is called city limit. Like that, I compared cell wall with city limit. Cell wall is rigid structure. It is protect the cell. I compared ribosome with organic shock. Ribosome produce protein. It keep our body healthy. Like that, when we eat organic foods, it keep our body healthy. This is called ribosome structure. I compared Golgi body to courier shop. Golgi body patch and dispatch all the material. Like that, courier shop sending all the material to the city. Lysosome remove all the waste material in the cell. Like that, trash can is used for putting waste material. Now we understood about cells.
In this cell city, you can able to understand the cells and the buildings in the city, how they are linked to each other. This is which are made. In this city, you can see various types of buildings like post office, garbage facility, a city hall, a hospital, and a package delivery. In this city hall, the mayor is there. The mayor runs the city he take care of the city. Likewise, nucleus runs the operation of the cell and take care of the cell. This is the solar panel. This solar panel generates the electricity all over the city. Likewise, mitochondria generates energy through all over the cell. This here you can see the city limits of the city. This city limit says that this is the edge of the city. Likewise, the cell membrane says this is the limit of the cell. This is the post office. The post office gives the mail all over the city. Likewise, ER transport the materials through the cell. This here you can see is the package delivery center. This package delivery center sends the city limits or the beyond may start with a trip to the post office, after which the containers move through a delivery service to their destination. The delivery system mimics the movement of lipids from the ER to the Golgi bodies of the cell membrane. This package delivery service acts like Golgi body of the cell. This here you can see is the hospital. Hospital which cures and keep the people in the city fit and healthy. Likewise, Liposomes acts like the pharmacy or a hospital in the city to keep the cell healthy and
And today I'm going to be talking to you about my cell city activity. City Hall. The mayor in City Hall runs the city, the same way nucleus runs the cell's operation. Power plant. Mitochondria generates energy for the cell, the same way as a power plant creates electricity for the city. Lysosomes remove waste from the cell. In the same way, garbage collectors get rid of the cell's waste. City limits. The cell membrane limits the extent of the cell, just as the city limits indicates the edge of the city. Post office. The post office delivers mail throughout the city, the same as the ER transports materials throughout the cell. Package delivery service. Sending packages to the city limits or beyond may start with a trip to post office, after which the containers move through a delivery service to their destination. This delivery system mimics the movement of lipids from ER to the Golgi body to the cell membrane. The package delivery service acts like Golgi body of the cell. Pharmacy. Ribosomes create protein for the cell to keep it healthy. Pharmacies make medicine for people in a city to keep them fit. Just as cells have numerous ribosomes, cities also have multiple pharmacies in many cases.
I'm going to show you my project, Animal Cell. The materials required for this project are clay, foam sheet and some cardboard. Now I have done mitochondria, lysosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, nucleolus, Golgi apparatus and cytoplasm.
Tell about cell city. Okay, first let's start from our power plant. Power plant. Its example is mitochondria. Like mitochondria generates energy for the cell, as a power plant generates electricity for the cell. Okay, next we came to city limits. City limits. The cell membrane limits the extent of the cell just as the city limits indicate at the edge of the cell. Next we come to pharmacy. Pharmacy is small but it's more use. Pharmacy's best example is rhizomes in cells. Rhizomes create a protein for the cells to keep healthy. It provides medicine. And in pharmacies, it provides medicine in cities. Next, we came to post office. Post office, the most office delivers mail through the city, the same as ER transports material through the cell. Next, we came to the main part, city cell. City cell. The mayor runs the city. The same way nucleus runs the cell's operation and everything. Next we came to garbage facility. It's last but not least. Lysosomes remove waste from cells in the same way as the garbage collect and get rid of city's waste. And that's all it's over.
City model. First, what is a cell? A cell is a basic building blocks of all the living things. Welcome to Cell City.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and
First,
tired of the
the
way
cell
things
wall
have been.
is known as the fencing of the city.
The way that things have
The
been.
fencing of the city protects the city from dangers coming out. Like that, the cell wall protects the cell from dangers coming out of the cell.
I'm the master of my sea. The master of
Next, the cell membrane is represented by the doors of the city, which manages the in and out of people of the city coming inside. Like that, the cell membrane notices in and out of particles from the cell. Next one is the nucleus, which is represented by the city hall. The nucleus controls all the activities of the city and all the data are stored there. Like that, the city halls controls the whole city and all data is there in the city hall. Next, the ribosome is represented by the factory, where the factory provides foods and the ribosome also provides foods to everyone in everything in the city. Next, the Golgi algae is represented by the post office. How the post office takes and gives the mail to others. Like that, the Golgi algae takes and gives food particles to other places of the cell. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum is represented by the roadways of the city. How the roadways of the city helps in the transportation of the cars and bikes in the city. Like the endoplasmic reticulum is the roadways of the cell. Like every particles can travel by it. Next is the cytoplasm, which is represented by the fountain of the city, which is in the middle of the city, and it's a semi-permeable membrane which stores all the nutrients in it, and it is suspended.
Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a thick solution that fills each cell and is enclosed by the cell membrane.
There are some photos of the cell city model. There are some photos of making the model.